Hi guys, today we're going to install this plastic overlay in a 2025 Toyota Tacoma. It goes on top of the panel around the gear shift lever. The idea is very simple. You put it on top and it will prevent the damage on the panel itself, scratches, etc. Besides that, it will change the look of this panel as well. The color is called black wood grain. This is how it looks, and in the back we have double-sided tape that will hold this panel in place, and right now we will install it. Before we install the new cover, we will need to clean the surface, the plastic underneath. For this we'll use isopropyl alcohol. You guys can also wear a glove. This will prevent the oil from your hands ending up on the plastic. So lightly go over all the plastic panels where the tape will be attached, and then we will install our panel. Now I'm going to remove all the protective film from the tape. You can also use the heat gun to warm up the tape, especially if it's cold outside. In summer you don't necessarily have to do it, guys, but in winter you will definitely need to warm the tape. This will guarantee the proper bonding. Don't spend too much time on it, just enough to have it warm. And now I will start to apply the cover on top of the panel. So our idea is to push it. First, the top flat part has to go in all the way. Push it in. Make sure that tape works on top. And now I will push the sides all around. Installation is complete. The mode selector works without any issues. You can still press the buttons, all of them. It doesn't obstruct it at all, and it holds, guys, quite well with the tape. So this is the final result of our work. This is how it's going to look like now. Again, the color is called black wood grain. They also have a carbon fiber option, but we decided to install this one. If you guys are interested, I will leave you a link in the description. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.